Morning, Mr.
Good morning, Jane.
Mr. Twistle. Chris Gardner. How are you? Good morning. Chris Gardner. Chris Gardner. Good to see you again.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed these clips. See, whatever may be the situation, we mostly use simple present tense in our daily language, whether it is meeting a stranger or meeting with the officials or talking to the friends or saying hi, bye, everything. We mostly use simple present tense. So let's begin to study the rules to be followed in the simple present tense while
When
writing
and
or
why do we
speaking
use simple
in English
present tense?
language. When we are speaking something very general or something which is permanent, the work which is permanently done, we use simple present tense. For example, I work, you work, they work, we work, she works, he works, it works. While S is coming with he, she and it, I'll explain you in the later part of the video. When to use simple present tense. अब चलिए सीखते हैं कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कब यूज़ किया जाता है। जब कोई काम परमानेंटली किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी लिव इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मीन्स हम यूनाइटेड स्टेट में रह रहे हैं, मीन्स वी आर स्टेइंग नाउ एंड इट इज़ अवर परमानेंट स्टे, सो वी यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। ही वर्क्स एट अ बैंक में काम कर रहे हैं, डेली काम करते हैं, परमानेंट थिंग है, तो simple present tense बोलना है. Next, we use it for routines of our work. I wake up at 6:30 daily. 6:30 बजे उठती हूँ. I go to sleep at 11. मैं रात में 11 बजे सोती हूँ. I go to office at 8 a.m. daily. 8 a.m. को ही ऑफिस जाते हैं. I come back at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. को वापस आते हैं. So daily routine में जो काम किया जाता है, that also comes under simple present tense. Now we also use simple present tense for saying the facts. Facts means whatever happens without a reason. Means the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. We also use simple present tense for saying schedules. Our job starts at 8 a.m. The teacher leaves the class at noon. Means something which is happening daily at a particular time and we are saying this. Next is frequency. Means कोई काम always करना या कभी कभी करना या बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना. अगर वो हम frequency, अगर वो एक particular हम time बता रहे हैं तभी भी we use simple present tense. For example, she always takes the taxi. Always. Never takes the taxi. Never means kabhi nahi. She sometimes takes the bus. She rarely sits in a taxi. For these kind of frequencies we use simple present tense. Now चलिए सीखते हैं कि sentences किस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं और क्या क्या rules follow करने हैं, किस तरह के sentences बनाए जाते हैं simple present tense से. We can make positive sentences, negative sentences, and we can make questions with a simple present tense. कोई भी sentence में I, you, we and they हमेशा plural होता है, चाहे वो negative हो, चाहे वो question हो, चाहे वो positive sentence हो. So उसके साथ जो भी verb use करते हैं, verb means कुछ काम और action. For example, here work is a verb. So उसे singular में यूज़ किया जाता है with and he, she, it, और कोई भी नाम जब अकेले लिया जाता है तो that is singular. और singular में हमेशा singular के साथ जो verb यूज़ किया जाता है WORKS लगाते हैं उसमें works. He works, she works, it works. And I work, you work, we work, they work. So plural में s नहीं लगाना है, singular में verb के साथ s लगाना है always. So ये तो रहा positive sentences के बाद. आइए अब negative बनाते हैं. Negative में do not use करते हैं with I, you, we and they. And doesn't use करते हैं, does not use करते हैं with he, she, it और कोई भी नाम जब अकेला लिया जाता है तो। do not की जगह do not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करना है don't, and does not की जगह does not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करना है doesn't. For example, I don't, you don't, we don't work, they don't work. He doesn't works, she doesn't works, it doesn't works, and Samantha doesn't works. This is the way to speak and write negative sentences in simple present tense. Now let's see how to write questions in simple present tense. When we ask a question, we use with I, you, we, they, we use do. And with he, she, it and any name, we use does. Questions में plural के साथ do लगाना है and singular के साथ does लगाना है and verb दोनों में भी सिर्फ singular ही verb रहेगा work, not works. Example, do I work? Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? We are asking questions. Does he work? Does she work? Does it work? Does John work? Next, we are going to study the rules of the verbs used in the simple present tense. Verbs में s at कहाँ करना है और कहाँ es at करना है. We are going to learn. With singular, he, she, it, or any name if we are calling, we should add s to the verb. For example, she dances, he cooks, he sleeps. So सिर्फ he, she and it के साथ हम verb के साथ s लगाते हैं. Dance, dances, cook, cooks, sleep, sleeps. Verbs ending in s or sh or ch, we will add es at the end. es कहाँ लगाना है? जब कोई भी वर्ड s से end होता है या sh से या ch से. For example, kiss. So es लगाना है kisses. Teach, teaches, wash, washes. Verbs ending in consonant and verbs ending with y. We write ies at the end to make it plural. Study, studies, ies. Try, tries. Fry, fries. Verbs ending in consonant means, I hope you know vowels a, e, I, o, u. These 5 alphabets are vowels. Other than all these vowels are consonants. So अगर vowel नहीं आता है at the end, consonant आता है, so we are going to add ies at the end to make it plural. Few other verbs like go, do, have completely changes. Go becomes goes, do becomes does, and have becomes has in the singular. Now let's make some examples with questions, positive and negative sentences. When someone asks you, do you like this song? You have to answer yes, I do, or no, I don't. Next one, does she speak English? We are using does because she is singular. क्या वो इंग्लिश बोल सकती है? Yes, she does. You have to answer also in does. No, she doesn't. Do they need help? They is plural. Yes, they do. No, they don't. So with plural, you have to use do and don't. When I ask you, do you understand? You have to answer yes, I do. Very good. You are learning. Now let's do some exercises. It takes, they take. It does. You enjoy, she enjoys. They study, John studies. With why you have to use IES with the verb. Remember, he sings, we sing. She wants to buy a new phone. Change it into question. With she, does should come. Does she want to buy a new phone? Question mark. They sell books online. With they, do should come. Do they sell books online? Very good. If you've learned something informative, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.